Hi, I'm Sam and welcome to MTI-TV. Today's segment's on Ultrabond ECO GPT. It's MAPEI's new ready-to-use hybrid polymer modified adhesive for gauge porcelain tile, which is also known as, you got it, GPT. Ultrabond ECO GPT combines cutting-edge chemistry with the latest tile trends to create a time-saving, labor-saving adhesive for installing GPT. Gauge porcelain tiles are thin and often large. They offer a clean, seamless look in any room for virtually any desired style. This type of tile presents unique challenges when it comes to installation. Traditional tile installations typically require a mixing station and troweling onto the walls, back buttering the tiles, as well as quick removal of any product that gets on the tile surface. This is where our Ultrabond ECO GPT steps in. The advantage of this new hybrid adhesive technology includes no mixing, easy trowelability, smooth consistency. Plus, there's no waste because you only use what you need. And whether it is wet or dry, Ultrabond ECO GPT is easy to clean off the tile surfaces. This adhesive features a non-sag formula, superior bonding, and flexibility that make Ultrabond ECO GPT the perfect choice for stone, ceramic, porcelain, as well as large format and gauge porcelain tiles for interior, residential, and commercial wall and countertop applications. Here's a tip. To activate the moisture curing process before installing porcelain tile, dampen the wall substrate with water using a sponge or lightly mist with a sprayer. For more information, visit us online at www.mapei.com. Drop a comment below and let us know what videos you'd like to see. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel to see the latest MAPEI has to offer, or you can give us a call. I'm Sam, and thanks for watching this edition of MTI TV.